We're going to grab some portraits for them that they might be able to use for their holiday cards in the months to come.
It's beginning to look a lot like...
The weather's beautiful, the light's beautiful, but it's also really harsh, which means that we need to go look for some open shade. You see we've got some shade back there. So guys, let's actually walk back into that very shade. It'd be very easy to say, okay, well, we're in the shade. We can just take a picture right here. But you can see how the light's streaming across Kristen's sweater right there. So we want a bit more even light. Shift over just a little bit. So you can see there's no harsh light on their clothing. In fact, no harsh light on them even. This is really beautiful. So Josh, stand up real tall for me. And then I'm gonna get you to shift your weight to your left hip there. Always have your subjects put their weight on one hip or the other. Creates a little bit more of a natural, relaxed posture. And I'm gonna go to portrait mode. Y'all smile just like that. That's great. Beautiful. Kristen, I really liked it when you were looking at Josh a second ago. So just turn toward him. That's beautiful, just like that.